From caregiver to CEO, my true turnaround story. I wasn't just broke, I was broken and caring for everyone else while ignoring myself nearly cost me everything. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a mom, grandmother, and I was a full-time caregiver for years. I sacrificed my own health, finances, and future to care for others. And I don't regret a minute of it, but when everyone was gone and the house went quiet, I was left with debt, fear, and a question, what now? That's when I discovered a digital model that changed my life. It wasn't about getting rich. It was about finally putting myself first. A business that takes 2, maybe 3 hours a day, 100% profit, no tech stress, no inventory, and no begging family and friends to join. Now, I get to help people while earning myself. I work on my own time, and I finally feel like me again. Woo! You don't have to choose between serving others and saving yourself. Comment info or visit my site to learn what I did to go from caregiver to confident CEO. Just comment info and I will share the exact details that I use and my tools where you can then begin your own story.